Staying with Republic, I'm Suesha Sawant, and we keep our non-stop focus on the latest situation at the eastern Ladakh, where disengagement is underway. China also having confirmed the same, that Chinese troops have moved back, and many of their structures and hutments at patrolling point 14 that have been removed. Continuous military and diplomatic level talks that have finally yielded this result, and a breakthrough that has been achieved when it comes to the situation at the line of actual control. Now, PLA seen removing tents and structures at patrolling point 14, and rearward movement of vehicles of PLA seen at general area Galwan, Hot Springs and Gogra. No specific distances, but this confirmation that has not just come in from sources in the government, but China also having confirmed the same, and Tibet continuing to extend support to India. We have a reaction coming from Lobsang Sangye, the president of Central Tibetan Administration. Let's listen into what he had to say. In the meanwhile, some breaking details that are coming in on Ajit Doval having spoken to Chinese Foreign Minister. And these are inside details of the talks between India and China, as NSA Ajit Doval held a 2-hour meeting with China. And Niranjan Narayanaswamy, our editor who continues to lead the coverage, is picking up more details on the same. He's with us. Over to you, Niranjan.
Just getting in some more, breaking news now of the manner in which the talks were held and the de-escalation happened. In fact, as per details available and confirmed by Shavan Sen as well, we're getting in news now of how NSA Ajit Doval was also involved in the talks that took place in the course of the last few days. We have now confirmed that Ajit Doval was in touch with the Foreign Minister of China, Wang Yi, and the talks took place. There was a video call. Between Ajit Doval and Wang Yi, who's the Foreign Minister of China, on Sunday. The talks were on the de-escalation and the disengagement, we are being told, and both Wang Yi and Ajit Doval discussed steps that needed to be taken by both countries to ensure that the situation, the line of actual control, gets better. We're also being told, Suesha, that as of now, a statement is likely to be issued by the government on the disengagement after the cordial talks took place. And Tejinder, I think, is also joining us live as we get more details. Tejinder, getting in details of how Ajit Doval was also involved in the talks between China and India. Yesterday, Chinese Foreign Minister and State Councillor Wang Yi, over video call, talks, we are being told, were held in a cordial and forward-looking manner.
Yes, Niranjan, you see the steps, the channels are already open to resolve the issue. We just in the morning broke the story how disengagement has already started at 3 different places. We reported how disengagement is happening at Galwan, Hot Spring and Gogra posts, where the Chinese side, they are removing their tents, they are removing their structures from patrol point 14. And now we are also breaking that National Security Advisor Ajit Doval has had a 2-hour long video conference meeting with the Foreign Minister of China, Wang Yi, yesterday. This meeting lasted for at least 2 hours, and the main point of this video call was to discuss the border tension and to take steps for disengagement. Niranjan, this is a big move. We all know that military level dialogues were on, but also there were other channels that have already been opened to discuss the prevailing situation on the line of actual control between India and China and how to de-escalate the situation. And you see the National Security Advisor of the country, Ajit Doval, himself holding a 2-hour long video call with the Foreign Minister of China, Wang Yi, yesterday. This meeting lasted for 2 hours, and both the sides, the meeting, we are told, was held in a cordial atmosphere. This video call was held in a cordial atmosphere, and both the sides, they expressed that there was a need to make sure that peace prevails along the line of actual control, where we have been seeing a face-off since April, the first week of April this week. So this was a very important call that happened between the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, the Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi, and it lasted for 2 hours. And today we also got a statement, and a source-based statement which said that disengagement has already started at 3 different places. So clearly a headway was reached when the NSA of India and the Foreign Minister of China, they held a 2-hour-long video call. We are expecting a statement from the government of India by this evening telling us about this video call that was made between the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and the Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi. So clearly, the channels are open. We have been continuously reporting how the meeting between corps commander level has been happening on the line of actual control. Yes, Swesha.
And clearly, Tejinder, it has been a long step-by-step process. Not just when we talk about how talks have been held between New Delhi and Beijing, but talks, military-level talks, that continued, and finally a breakthrough that has been attained. We'll talk more about it, but for the moment we'll step into a very short commercial break.